Hello and a warm welcome. This is the Warcry Reporter, battle reports to listen to. Thanks for coming to my channel. With this podcast style format, I want to create battle reports that you can listen to while you're painting or doing other stuff. A format that does not require you to look at the screen. Just listen and have fun. This series starts with the Heart of Ghur campaign, and we will follow the Bugman's Regulars. The Bugman's Regulars are a Kharadron Overlord Warband. They are led by Vigard Birchhammer, a recently elevated admiral who wants to expand his riches and has a special love for glory and artifacts. With him is Thongil, an overlord in his later years, but tough as granite and deaf as any other stone. He is armed with an ether cannon and is certainly not afraid to use it. Furthermore, we have Odo, Tashar and Warfare. All three are armed with a sky pike. These three are Vigard's personal guard. They get paid well and they do their job well. Raspin is armed with a light skyhook and is the Warband sniper. Rotan is carrying an ethermatic volley gun into battle, always yelling and laughing when he's firing it. And last but not least, we have Rofo, the Skyrigger, armed with a skyhook. He is the scout of the Warband. Today's match is fought against the Seven Cooks Mercenary Company, an Ghur warband. They are led by Master Chef Maticek Iceblood. Furthermore, we have Frostsaber Milka, the glutton with two weapons Mark Knochenbrecher, a lead belcher called Torbard, die Keule, and Knoblauchs called Tomek and Fitchek. In this picture we see also Lukashor, the Ghur with the Iron Fist, and Andrash, a third Knoblar. The victory condition is assassinate. The Ghurs have to take down Vigard, and they have to do it in 4 battle rounds. Additionally, the war cries of the warband can be heard loud and clear through the woods, so reinforcements might arrive earlier. The battlefield is made of 3 trees. 2 are north and south of the middle, roughly, and 1 is more to the northeastern corner. A ring of rubble surrounds the trees. And now the fighters move on to the battlefield. The Bugman's Regulars have the initiative, and Vigard is placing himself, Thongil and Rotan behind the tree to the northeastern corner, taking cover. Torbard and his Knoblar Fitchek come to a halt in the southwestern part of the field. Now Warfare and Tashar enter, placing themselves as far forward as possible on the eastern edge. Mark and Tomek are doing as Warfare and Tashar, just on the other side. The first move goes to the Ghurs. Vigard was trying to provoke them into charging headlong towards him, and succeeded. That might have been a mistake. The 7 Cooks are an experienced warband. Who knows what they have up their sleeves? Torbard is taking action first. He's grinning and not moving, but pulling something out of his pants. Whoop. Where is he? Whoop. Whoa, unbelievable! Torbard teleported himself behind Vigard and seems to be ready for a rampage. Vigard and his lads are very surprised and are breaking almost into a panic. Torbard is moving so he gets a better shot at Vigard. In the confusion he finds a gap and boom, boom, fires twice in Vigard's direction. But Vigard saw the first one coming and took cover, almost too late, a glancing hit. But the second one was unexpected and hit him hard in the chest. That good armor saves Vigard's life. Thongil gets a grip on himself first and fires at Torbard. Boom, boom. Torbard is stumbling backwards, bleeding heavily from 2 big holes in his upper body, barely able to get back up again. Don't mess with Thongil, he knows how to blow things up. Meanwhile, Mark is charging towards Vigard along the middle of the battlefield. And Vigard got his breath back, yells a war cry to his fellow fighters to fight for profit, and then fires twice at Torbard, hitting his chest with well-placed shots. That ogre can't hold much longer. Fitchek is also running in an all-out sprint towards Vigard, tongue hanging out and grinning with malicious joy. Now Rotan is moving into position to cover his leader against the lead belcher, and with a mad laughter he is giving Torbard a taste of his volley gun. Oh, even an ogre can take only so much. But he is still standing. Tomek also wants to get where the fun is and runs almost on all fours towards the oh-so-tasty target. The two sky pikers, Warfare and Tasha, were waiting for the Gnobers, obviously. They run to intercept them. So the first round is over. Both Torbard and Vigard are not looking good. The second round starts with the ogres. Oh, that might be the end already. If Torbard can hit Vigard again, even his armor will not be of much use anymore. And as I said, Torbard is again moving to find the gap in the defense. Finds it and boom, fires at Vigard. Vigard is firing back at him, but the impact sent him stumbling back. A good hit from the ogre, right in the middle of the chest. Vigard is barely breathing, but he is still breathing. The armor seems heavily damaged, and now Vigard is spitting blood. That's not good. Vigard is stumbling backwards to the south, leaving his cover. He knows the ogre reinforcements will arrive from the north. He reinforces his war cry again and takes a snapshot at Torbard. He hits the head. Torbard is down! Now Mark is slowing down. As soon as he saw Vigard appearing from behind the tree, he started grinning. He drops his sword and pulls out a staff of sorts. He's pointing at Vigard. Green light flashes. Vigard is squeezed by a green, shimmering snake. He struggles. He tries to break free and falls unconscious to the ground. Well, that was quick. The Seven Cooks Mercenary Company wins the battle. Quick but intense, I'd say. The advantage of being around Ghur for longer became obvious in this battle. In the aftermath, the Bugman's regulars sent Odo to search for anything to loot, and Odo got very lucky. A wizard's tower was found. Searching the place, the Warband found 2 shots of Amuntok and a sacrificial dagger. Odo and Tasha were awarded the shards, and Thongil took the sacrificial dagger. In the woods, Vigard met 2 of his old friends. They were searching for him to join the Warband. Erk and Gent are brothers, and bring a pistol and an axe to the fight. These 2 have proven themselves as excellent bloodhounds and artifact finders. How convenient for Vigard. After everything was settled and Vigard woke up again, I had the pleasure to talk to Thongil. Thongil, what's your comment on this battle?
What is it you're saying?
The battle. What do you say?
Witchcraft and cheating, that's what I'm saying. Easy winning with that cursed stuff. Those meatbags would have not a chance against us in a good fight. No cheating, no nothing, that would have been a good fight, huh? I'll punish them with my Betty here, yeah, and rip up the corpses or something. This fight not over yet, huh? You listen, you ogres, you listen. You will get some bloody cowards with your
That was Thongil,
huh?
my dear listeners. Thongil. This was the Warcry Reporter. Thanks for listening. Until next time.